guys, welcome back to the channel. This is How Fast. Derek and I are here at RM Classic Sotheby's car auctions and restorations in Chatham. I'm sure you guys can see the size of this car show and the caliber of some of the cars that are here is bar none.
It's insane, yeah.
So if you guys don't know a bit about RM and like what they're about, they're, like I said, they're local to Chatham and
been around forever.
They've been around for years.
For years. Well, Rob, he started RM painting Corvettes in his driveway like 35 years ago. And now it's a worldwide.
Not just worldwide, world-renowned auction place. They teamed up with a company called Sotheby's, and now I'll give you a couple stats on them right here. They're the #1 auction house by total value of cars sold in the past 5 consecutive years, 2014 through 2018. #1 cars sold greater than $1 million in the past 5 consecutive years. This is versus Barrett Jackson type stuff, guys.
Yeah, that's crazy.
#1 cars sold more than $250,000 in the past 5 consecutive years. #1 in the industry for the largest team dedicated car specialists. The list goes on and on.
Yep.
This place, as I said, is world renowned, and we're going to take you guys around and show you a bit about this car show and what it's all about.
Stay tuned, guys. This is going to be a good one.
Paint on this is really nice. Where's Church? Church, where you at, bro? rad one.
Doesn't look like it'd be the most comfortable thing to ride, but
Well, maybe
probably scary as shit.
that's what I was gonna say. Maybe it's actually comfortable to ride in.
But maybe.
You know, doesn't look like it's really performance oriented.
No. Looks like a James Bond type.
Kind of, but. Just a grocery getter, that's all. That's the point, yeah, right? You can't bring a passenger.
Like you'd probably feel a stone on your ass. It's so low.
It's so. Imagine driving next to a semi in this thing. Oh,
Drive under a semi in this thing.
you could easily. It's not even as tall as my waist. Yeah. Don't mess with them.
Nope.
They're mean. Some mean geese up in here.
Yeah. Well, they make it Canadian.
Yeah.
Retrofest has been, I don't know, just the color, the style.
Yeah, it's nice. I like the color, that's for sure. So we're outside of one of the buildings here. I asked Eric, I said, what's inside here? He said,
Nice cars.
a whole bunch of nice cars.
Yeah, these these are cars that you guys probably are never going to see anywhere else. So stay tuned for this one.
Let's check this out. I remember driving by this place when I was younger, and I used to think, I still think, I would clean the toilets here to work here. Like, Rob, do you need someone to clean your toilets? Because I'll clean your toilets, dude.
Yeah.
Series 30 feet long. '70 Stingray.
Yeah.
That's an LT1. This, like I said, looks like a Val Kilmer or like a what was the other unpopular one?
Chris O'Donnell, wasn't he one?
No, he was Robin. He was Robin.
Yeah.
Shit. The old dude that all the ladies like. George Clooney. That looks like a George Clooney or like a Val Kilmer Batmobile. Old fire truck. I didn't even see this.
Yeah.
So, in my studies here, have found that these aren't called fire trucks.
No?
No, the big ones?
Yeah.
They're called apparatus. They don't refer to them as trucks. They refer to them as apparatus.
Fire apparatus?
Yep. That's right. So whenever I was like looking them up, right, I was looking up like fire vehicles for us to possibly procure.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Fire apparatus.
Fire apparatus.
For the big ones.
Okay. This is a Duesenberg.
This is a doozy?
This is so just in case anybody wanted to see $1 million car, there you go.
So that's a Duesenberg.
Yeah, it's a Duesenberg.
Where the saying "that's a doozy" comes from?
Yeah. Yeah, these are there's probably $2 to $3 million sitting in these two cars right here.
Yeah, so anybody who doesn't know, these cars, as far as like a custom car goes, these cars are one-off. Every car is its own entity. Every car is unique. Every person who gets to make, when they would have commission to have one of these built, they chose all the finishes, all the colors, and the looks, and the style. It was basically just Duesenberg was a name for a custom car back then, in the sense that they would just use a few basic components to make up the skeleton of it, and everything else was custom.
100% custom, yeah. Yeah, it's
There's another Corvette over here. Or Ferrari. Keep saying Corvette. Okay, so 2,306,000.
there's a lot of money sitting right here.
Yeah.
Like there's
I like this one. This one's the.
like
This one's the. No, I like that one. I like the hard top.
yeah. Every time we come out, there's just more cars. Like,
There's more cars like where we just walked, so now we gotta go walk back past the same cars to see the new ones.
yeah.
Look at this old Jeep over here.
Yeah.
It's like an army Jeep or something going on there. And we've just heard of over here, apparently there's a barn full of Ferraris, so we're gonna make our way down that way.
That's in Robin one. I love it.
Makes me want to grow a mustache.
I love the shit for these things.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, this would be so fun to drive.
Ooh. Paint on this car. Holy cow. Look at this. These paints are just flawless. Oh, I like this one. Look at this. Look at this. Metalwork. Oh yeah. Is that stock? Like did they cut something out and roll it?
It's stock.
Is it? Ooh. Lambo. Man, you bit. Look at that.
Yeah.
What?
I was watching. This is one of the ugliest cars ever made.
Who said that? I don't think it's that ugly.
Well, it was like one of their.
Yeah, I mean, obviously you don't see them around, but tires on this thing. Holy cow. This is where they do the work on the finish. Hey, Doug. Oh, it's flying off.
Red one?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a 59 250 GT Berlinetta Tour de France.
Beautiful.
So it's all aluminum, race engine, roll cage, the whole works. Right from the
And
factory.
what's it doing here? I mean,
we did the certification on it for Ferrari.
really?
So guys that own those things, they always want them certified by Ferrari and make sure that everything's authentic, the right engine, the right transmission. Because those cars get changed so much over the years because they're race cars.
Right.
Yeah.
Blow up the engines and put another one in, and of course that hurts the value today, right?
Yeah.
So that one was missing its bumpers, it was missing a bunch of parts. So we made bumpers for it, right to spec, out of aluminum alloy, and then so we just prepped it for certification.
Thanks. That's great.
Hey, Eddie.
Don, right?
Yeah.
McClellan, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, Derek Kobe. Remember Deb
Yeah,
Kobe?
yeah, sure.
Yeah.
How you doing?
Oh, you're
That's Don.
So this is done.
Oh,
So
yeah,
it's so
okay,
weird
yeah.
that you come
Funny,
over
I
and
walked
just.
right over.
Yeah.
Hey, Derek.
Yeah, you definitely
As soon as you
do
walk,
there.
yeah.
Yes.
Well, when Mom used to work, I think you actually put the sunroof in her Blazer in her driveway. I think was that you? I think you did that. Yeah.
Boy, that's a long time.
Long time ago, yeah.
Oh, where
Well,
we-
I helped you guys when you moved from Park over here,
Yeah,
throwing out old tires and shit.
that is 1999.
Yeah, a long time ago.
Yeah.
So what's going on here? I mean, do you mind if I ask you some questions? Okay. So what's going on here I'm new in town, and Derek and I here we've started a YouTube channel, right? So what we're gonna do is we're building a race car, and what we're hoping is that once we get it built, we want to take like first responders for a ride down the quarter mile.
Nice.
To have them, help them de-stress because there's some parts to their job that you couldn't do, right? We want to definitely come by. You guys have this 40th anniversary coming up, right?
It's gonna be big. It's
Yeah,
gonna be awesome.
yeah, and we can't wait for that, right? And I'm sure there's a
I
lot of
remember the
people.
first Retrofest, like how big it was, and the VIP out, the armories and everything. But I don't think this isn't going to compare.
Yeah,
This is going to be insane.
We've already got a bunch of the cars, the special ones that we brought in from our special clients that we've restored in the past.
Yeah.
Some of them we're doing work on. We've had them here, and so one of them's a 1933 Delage that won Best
Yeah,
of
that
Show
one
at Pebble
Delage,
Beach.
Okay,
that
yeah.
white one.
Yeah.
Yep.
That's a Best of Show car. That was the one that Jay Leno come along right in the middle of our judging at Pebble, and he interrupted and he just did a whole shoot with the car and the owner. And
Really?
Right in the middle of judging.
It's incredible, man. That's
That,
incredible.
That big
was funny.
is that a Cadillac?
Yeah, the big
monster. That thing is amazing.
Yeah,
Isn't
that's
it?
22 feet long.
Okay, I was like, this thing's got to be 30 feet
30
long.
feet,
yeah.
yeah.
22, eh?
It's a 16-cylinder engine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And that's the only one ever built. That one.
So let me ask you,
Same
sort of
with
kind
that
of,
Delage. It's one of a kind too.
let me ask you, for that 40th anniversary, is there any way to get a spot in there where we might be able to bring our car?
I don't know, how to arrange that.
Yeah.
There's a whole committee for setting.
Is there?
that up.
Oh,
Yeah.
man,
So
that'd
we
be
just have to
tough to-
contact them.
Yeah.
We could hook you up with them.
Oh, we would love any help you could give us, man. We'd love to spread the word and obviously promote what you guys are doing for that 40th anniversary. And
Yeah, I think it's gonna be a big deal.
oh, we can't
Yeah.
wait. We can't wait. It's gonna be awesome.
Oh, this whole
It's gonna be the parade.
yeah.
We had a good turnout today. Oh my God.
This is, I said to him, we have all the car shows and stuff, and there's a nice cars I've never seen before. Like
I know a lot of good modified ones too.
Yeah.
Blowers, nitrous.
Yeah,
Loads of stuff.
yeah.
Bikes. Did you bring your drag car?
No,
No.
there's gonna be a lot of work. We're planning.
Started on it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. We just got the chassis a couple weeks ago. We ended up finding just what we were looking for. I mean, we've been working on the project though since February. So February we went and found the engine, we brought it back, and it's just something Derek and I, a couple $100 a month goes towards parts and pieces, and it adds up. So
On the other building. Right where the coffee and stuff is. Victoria. Oh, good. Yeah.
So, yeah, we spend a day a week or sometimes 2 nights a week,
Yeah.
a couple hours just when we got spare time. So, keeps
You
us
guys
out
got
of
a
trouble.
card? We can follow that YouTube thing.
I don't have a card, but
We'll figure something out.
I'll have Chris Perry or someone whose mom or someone get in touch with
Have you
you.
got Facebook or anything?
I got a card. I'll give you.
Yeah, why
we
don't
can
you
send you an email, yeah. As soon as you walked up, I'm I got almost a little nervous.
Yeah. I didn't even know who I was talking to, so I didn't have any reason to be nervous.
I know you're talking to him, and I kind of had this smirk on my face, so I'm like, he has no idea who he's talking to. He's gonna shit his pants as soon as I get
Okay. Oh, you're done.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, that's Cars and Coffee.
Yeah, that was, blew my mind. I had no idea it was going to be this big and this many people, this many cars I've never seen before.
Yeah, like a really incredible car show,
Yeah.
guys. I mean, the quality, the caliber, some of the paint on some of these cars
Yeah.
is incredible. And on top of that, we got to run into Don McClellan.
Yep.
So hopefully we'll get in contact with him. Don, if you're watching, I hope you're watching. Help us get on that committee, buddy. Help us get in with that committee. We need to get into that 40th anniversary.
Yeah, that'd be great.
So if you guys don't know, RM has a 40th anniversary coming up later this year, which is going to be a huge event.
Yeah.
And I'm hoping that maybe we can get real aerials to come out and do some aerial photography. And I'd love to get in and talk to more with Don, and hopefully meet with Rob. And we can talk to these guys a bit more about R&M and about cars in general.
That's, Matty Martins. Yeah, Matt's 55.
So, hey guys, also this week, some very interesting news.
Yeah.
Some very surprising news, actually. I got this picture texted to me. You know what that is? That's our Ford 9-inch rear end.
Yeah.
Our good buddy Lance happened to watch the video the other day, and he realized that the 9-inch rear end wasn't in the car. He actually had taken it out a couple years ago, totally forgot about it. It's sitting in his place. He says we can have it.
Yeah. Good on you, Lance.
Good on you, Lance.
You know, he could have just ignored us.
I didn't think I'd hear from the guy again,
No.
to be honest, but as soon as he saw the video, he got a hold of us and told us that, hey man, I got it, come get it, I'm sorry about that, and you know, straight up, like, really good guy.
Yeah, stand-up guy.
Stand-up guy.
Thanks, Lance.
Yeah, thanks, Lance, we really appreciate that. Okay, guys.
Yeah, wrap it up from Cars and Coffee this time. Stay tuned. I think there's another one in June and July, so I mean, definitely, I want to come back.
Oh, I'll be back.
I can't see it getting any smaller. The more the word gets out, this is just going to get bigger and bigger. So.
And the warmer it gets, the more cars come out. So
yeah, join us next time, guys. You know, we're going to end it here. We're going to go enjoy the rest of this Saturday, and we'll see you guys next time.